The link matrix is used to show how a certain type of template object is linked to other objects through its properties. Let's create a link matrix for this business process network diagram. For my matrix, I'd like to display which information systems support the business processes. The link matrices menu option can be found under Tools, Matrices, Link Matrix. The first dialog is prompting you to choose the type of template you want to look at. This selection will appear as the rows on your matrix. In our example, we are interested in looking at business processes. The next dialog will allow you to filter which business processes you want to include in your matrix. In our example, we want to look at business processes that are included in our business process network diagram. But to ensure that the matrix is updated each time it is opened, should the diagram change, we will choose rules-based. Next, we will add a filter to ensure that we only see processes that are used by our diagram. The next dialog box is asking you to define what relationships you are interested in displaying in the matrix. We want to see the relationship IT support. This dialog will show you all the template types that may have the specified relationship with a business process. In our example, only an information system may have the relationship of IT support with a business process. This dialog will allow you to filter which information systems you want to include in your matrix. In our example, I will choose rules-based to update the matrix each time it is opened. And in this dialog, I will not include any filters as I wish to see all the information systems that currently exist in my repository. The final step is to give the matrix a name. In the matrix, you can double-click on any empty cells and start linking information systems to business processes.